No greater love, Romeo and Juliet. But Shakespeare died and years passed by. Juliet knows everything about Romeo, except why he tells her no at night. You know that beggars should not be choosers. Romeo's job has no social term. A jerking off